Do you remember our intro? It's like, hey guys.
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be interesting.
Okay. Let's go ahead and do our take one, see if it goes well.
Okay. Hi guys! Thank you for joining us for this edition of Color and Beauty. My name is Tenaj Astrid.
And it's your girl Astrid.
And I know it's been a long time since you've seen our faces. We've been on hiatus. A lot's changed. We've done a lot, rebranded and refocused our energies and things. We're so excited to show you guys all the new stuff we have planned. It's going to be a good time.
It'll be great. So today we are going to start off this new journey with a makeup tutorial for looking like an Insta Baddie.
Yeah, Insta Baddie. Any girl got a coupon code or who, sponsored by somebody, she has a look and we're going to do that look.
So yeah, let's go ahead and get started and then just chat away.
Okay.
The majority of my foundations are really light right now because I've been out in the sun, so I think I'm going to go back to an OG. I'm going to take my Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour, and let me see if I can even read what, this is in Warm Nude, 128.
What, Warm Nude? Okay. So I got a little bit of a tan, not a good one, but a little bit of a tan.
Not a good one.
Yeah, so I think I'm going to use the Morphe 2 Hints of Caramel, and just get that hint skin tint. Remember that?
One thing I have noticed about this Insta Baddie look, it's very full coverage. You know, it's definitely not the everyday look that I would shoot for, at least not myself.
No, I think it's everyday with the punch. Like, I think the idea is that you're supposed to see your face and your features, but not necessarily natural about it.
No, because those eyebrows are...
Oh, they're snatched.
They are snatched. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like 2016-ish era.
Yeah, I think 2016 without all the color is what it is.
Okay, we just discussed this the other day. This is one of our favorite foundation brushes.
Yeah.
Because we have like everything sprawled out on our new table.
Yeah.
And we've just gone back to the Amazon brush. This one has like just enough give that you can actually spread out the product.
All right, guys. So I had to slap some powder on there because this was a little too dewy,
A little slicky.
Yeah, I was looking a little slick like. That wasn't cute, so I had to powder down a bit. But it's funny because you have to know how to like edit on the fly. I think that's something that we learned when we were working on other people.
Very much so. That's another story.
That's another story time. We'll do that story time. Yeah.
Okay, so next up, I feel like I'm going to actually probably go in with my bronzer because I look a little bit too pale for my liking at this point.
Okay, I think I'm going to go in with my brows. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Shady Slim in black brown. No, this is actually espresso. This is an espresso.
That's like your new one.
Yeah, I like this color. Technically, it's too light for my brows, but for some reason I don't know.
It just works.
It works.
Yeah, and we have not upgraded our bronzer situation. We are still very much using the Physicians Formula for bronzer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This one is a deep bronzer, so I'm just gonna kind of use it on the perimeter of my face. I don't want to contour right now, but I do want to add kind of some life back into my face. One thing I've noticed is that if I put foundation on my forehead and then I try to drag it, I don't drag it up to my hairline, but I do put it like right here, just a little bit further up than where the high points of my eyebrow is. Sometimes it gives me like an ashy look, so I think I went a little heavy this time, but that is one thing I think I just want to be a part of everybody else on YouTube that just slathers makeup on. You know, the ones that just slather foundation on and you're
just...
I want to do that too. You and I will be watching a makeup tutorial and they'll put like so much product underneath the eyes.
Yeah.
And I'm sitting there watching them blend it out and I'm like, yeah, that worked out for them, but...
Yeah, that doesn't work out for us. Neither one of us.
Or if I try it like in person, it looks really, really bad. But in pictures, it might look really good.
Yes, there's a big difference between stage makeup and everyday makeup.
Okay, so I'm moving on to my brows now. I tend to go very natural with my brows, but clearly for this look, I'm gonna have to go a little bit more dramatic.
Yeah, what I'm cutting under my brows with a flesh tone concealer. Basically, my concealer is the same color as my foundation right now, and because I want to look like my eyebrows just appeared on my face, if that makes sense. I am cutting it to make it look sharper. It's still going to look quote unquote pretty natural.
Right. And I'm going to do the same technique. Actually, I prefer flesh tone rather than like a brighter concealer color.
If I ever am using a lighter one, it is like a half a shade or just the tiniest bit lighter.
It's tad bit,
yeah.
Some women do prefer to do eyebrows before they do their foundation and whatnot, and a lot of the time I'll see the concealer pop through the foundation, which, hey, you know what? If you want to do that, go ahead, boo. Listen,
who am I?
It is you and your makeup game, not
who
me.
Am I to say anything to you?
But if I'm doing your makeup, I'm probably not gonna go that style. And I actually prefer, I still prefer the NYX Fill and Fluff, you guys. I don't like the little brush. I don't know what that is, but I do like the pencil side. It's more of like a pomade pencil mixture versus just the pencil.
We're gonna use the e.l.f. All Day Stay.
Mm-hmm.
And I like this a lot for my everyday. I'm not trying to create something abstract. I'm just gonna do some pretty basic stuff. I don't like using the word basics. I know that's a little of an insult, but we're going for a pretty basic look today.
Okay, so now that I'm done with my brows, I'm gonna really quickly use our Urban Decay eyeshadow primer.
I love that stuff.
It really does not move at all. And what palette are you using today, Missy?
I am using the Anastasia collaboration with Jackie Aina. This is my go-to for neutral. Anytime I'm working on a woman of color, this is it.
You pull that one out?
Yes.
Okay. And I know this is mainly going to be neutrals for me too, so I'm going to mainly use the Tartelette and Brown palette. It's this really pretty one that smells amazing. Then I'll complement it with my Violet Voss S Life palette, which you guys know I absolutely adore this palette.
Yeah, I don't know if they even make that anymore.
I don't think they do. I think they've moved on to other palettes.
I'm just saying that palette is
it's great.
Oh my god, especially that black in there. It's very good black.
Glitter. If you like glitter. Anyway, let's just move on. Okay.
I think we're gonna do one eye and then snap into the other one for you guys, just so you know it's
time safe.
We're trying to save time here. I'm gonna start with edges because I found that this auburn color has been the best transition for me.
I'm actually gonna start off with Smarty Pants, which I'm sure from this far away you can't really see it, but it's gonna be right in here. Well, no, actually I'll start off with Jet Setter because I feel like right now for my skin tone that's probably gonna be
your best one.
The shade darker than my natural skin tone. And I'm just gonna hit it right above where my natural face is. It's funny, I've learned to actually just look straight at the mirror. I know that sounds like duh.
Yeah, but it's not a thing.
It's
not a thing that people do. It's not. Yeah, just look straight ahead.
Not do anything with my eye, because I'd be like. Yeah, that's. For you? Yeah. Yep. That's it.
I find that layering a color, like after you blow it out and layer it again, it gives such a really cool effect that it's like, again, duh, but not really. You didn't know that until you kept doing it. So now I'm going to kind of like deepen the corner just a little bit because I actually did it edges already, and I'm going to use Credit. That's right here.
I'm actually gonna go with eyeliner. I know, eyeliner. I never do that. But we've gone into this pencil eyeliner from LA Girl, and this is the Perfect Precision eyeliner in black. Yeah, in black. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my upper lash line with this.
Alright, and to finish off my eyeshadow, I'm going with Ginger, and this is the lightest neutral shade in here, and that's actually going to be my lid color.
I'm gonna actually deepen my crease a little bit.
Linda, you're gonna do it just a little bit.
I'm gonna go with Leader, which is this plum burgundy color right on the corner of the palette. I'm gonna take eyeshadow crease brush. I'm just gonna go right on that outer corner.
You know what I noticed? They don't like shimmery or glitter. It's matte. Very matted eyes, and which is fine. But we like sparkle over here.
I've seen some that will do like a cut crease they'll introduce some glitter. But the majority of them, you're right, yeah, it's all matte. Very eyeliner, very false lashes, drama.
Yes.
Very big lips, you know, overdrawn, nude.
Yes.
Or
all
dark
of that.
burgundy. Yeah, I've seen that.
It's a vibe. It's a, you know, it's a look.
It's a look.
It's a look.
You gotta get your discount code some way, somehow, honey, okay?
This is the Eye Appeal Ultra Rich Retractable Eye Pencil. I call these eye crayons. Basically, it's a liner, but it's like a kohl liner.
Ooh, those are my favorite.
I use like a kohl or like one of these kind of liners, and even a pencil. I use a pencil too, and then go back with either a marker or liquid liner to get the precision for my liner. That just because I find it difficult to get liquid liner in between like my lash line. You know that little spider thing that happens? It's a Right now I'm going to use the Stila waterproof liquid eyeliner. Now, I'm someone who says, do you, boo? I only got this because it was half off, okay? Is this better than any other liquid liner or liquid marker I've ever used? No. No, actually the best one I ever had was like $1, and it was no name brand. This is a very good one. Is it worth $30 in my book?
Is it worth 15? Is it worth 15?
Yes, because it lasts all day.
Okay.
It does last all day.
Alright. Just gotta wait for the sale.
You gotta wait for the sale.
But you wouldn't pay normal retail price. That's not true anyway. You don't pay normal retail price for anything anyway.
No, nothing.
Segue.
That's something that we're gonna teach you guys. We never pay retail for anything, particularly clothes.
Not even shoes.
Yes. So when we show you how to shop, it will not be retail. See that over there? I cut it up.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are about to snap into eyes, like having our eyes match over here.
So let's go ahead and do the other eye and then we'll come right back.
Alright,
Ready?
1,
2, 3.
Okay, so we have lashes, liner. So now we're going to do our lips. When it comes to the Insta Baddie, I noticed everything is really glossy, mostly a nude lip. And so I prefer not to do nude lips, but I'm going to do like a reddish nude because that's more my speed. What about you?
Okay. I'm actually just gonna do the basic nude, yes.
I'm actually using this, and I have not found it anywhere. I don't know where I bought this, but this has been the coolest thing for me. It's called a lip art graphic, and it's dark maroon thing.
I got that. I never use it.
Yeah, I love this thing. I use it a lot, actually.
I randomly got that in the aisle at CVS, and I was just like... Anyway, for me, I'm going to use these bite-sized beauty lipsticks. I really like these lipsticks. I don't know if they're still around, but I do know I got them for free during my Sephora birthday event, so I'm going to keep using them till I run out.
Going to be using this Vasanti lip gloss to give me the that.
I think I'm going to use a little bit of gloss just in the middle.
I do like this gloss because it's not really sticky. It's just like it gives the moisture without the stickiness. So I did bronze a little bit at the beginning of this, but I'm just going to go back and bronze just a teeny tiny bit more because I feel like I need a little bit more color in my face. Now I'm going to hit with the Shady Beaches to see how much I love this bronzer because it's all pan on the side. I use this bronzer so much.
You really do.
And it's because it's like, it's very hard to find a bronzer for me. A matte bronzer, I should say.
Without all the glitter?
Yeah, because for some reason, a bronzer that works for me tends to have a ton of glitter in it. And it's like, I don't know why you think I want glitter in my bronzer.
I've noticed that a lot of the drugstore or, you know, like just lower end of the budget and to have a lot of that quality in them, which is really unfortunate.
It is. We're actually going to use the same highlight. This is the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder from Wet n Wild. We both like this because it's a little peachy. Just, it's gold, but like rose gold. And it complements both of us really well without being like stark white or very gold.
So I know Tenaj is done with her look, but I'm just going to put a slight bit of blush because I just feel a little bit muted if I don't do blush. I'm gonna take this Rimmel Maxi Blush, and this is in the color Wild Card. It's just like
that's actually a really good blush for me. You know what? You made me feel a little guilty. I'll put on a little blush. I'll use the same.
I actually really like this blush. I like the formula. I like the fact that it's matte, like a true matte color. And I love how obnoxiously huge it is to actually fit a lot of the round brushes that we have.
Yeah, because I don't like small pan blushes.
Because your brush is like that big and you're just like,
you're trying to stipple it in. And that's how you end up with streaks.
Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much our finished makeup look combined with, of course, the hair, the bun situation, and also accessories and the outfit, which you guys will see in our other social media that Tenaj is talking about.
I'll put some links up here, some pictures, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, those are really cute pictures that we took of our outfit. You guys make sure you follow us.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed today's video of our Insta Baddie looks. It was definitely something out of our comfort zone because we don't do this on a daily basis, but it was actually a lot of fun to do it and put it together.
Yes.
So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. If you have not subscribed already to our channel, please come on down and join the family.
Yes.
Also make sure you hit that notification button for all future videos that we will be releasing very, very soon.
Yes, and also go to our Instagram. That's It's Color and Beauty, COLOUR. We also have a TikTok. It's fantastic. That's also Color and Beauty, COLOUR and Beauty. And we can't wait to see you guys on the next one.
Awesome. Okay. We'll see you next time.
Bye. So we're actually going to use the same highlight. This is the Mega Go highlighting powder.
Whoa. We did it. We did it.